All right, guys, so today I'm working on the sink part of my camper car conversion. Now, to be honest, I was having a little bit of an issue trying to figure out what I was gonna do with what I got here, which is like a condiment kitchenware. So it's pretty small. So when I went to Home Depot, I was looking at the drainage systems for kitchen sinks, but all of those were way too big to fit inside here. So what I ended up going with was this bathtub drainage, which is small enough to fit inside and hopefully will work out. I even got this drainage filter to put inside so that no food goes into my water carrier here. I'm not 100% if I'll use this one exactly, but I will use a system just like it that's more plastic than rubber so that no holes can puncture through, right? I still got it just because it's cool to have when you go camping and stuff like that. So this is what I'm working with today. I was going to originally butcher this with just a hole inside and this filter with some tape, but I figured I'd just do it all professionally, and yeah, hopefully it all works out. All right, so what I've done so far is just make a measurement of this drainage system inside my sink here, marked it down, and then I made this little setup so that I don't drill any holes into a table or anything, because these had holes already, and I figured I'd just drain right through them with my drill. So I'm slowly getting the hole that I want. It's just kind of a nuisance because this bit that I have is just too small for the hole that I'm trying to get. The bit that I bought is the right size, but it just doesn't fit on this drill. And plus this drill keeps dropping the bit every few minutes, so it's taking a long time to get this, but I'm getting there. Okay, so now that I have the hole in here and everything fits in nicely, I just gotta go back to Home Depot to get some silicone so I can seal up the inside here so that the water doesn't go anywhere else except the drainage. I can also use the silicone to seal up the top when I have the counter, and I also need to go buy some tubage that will connect from the sink into the water carrier. All right, guys, so I'm finally finished for the day. I got my drainage system in there, I got it all sealed up with the silicone, and I got my crate of piping here, which the guy at Home Depot hooked me up with because he gave me a whole row for the little amount that I needed. All that's left now is a good water carrier because this won't work out. The hole is just too small. Besides, I didn't really want to go with this anyways. But yeah, that's all I need, and then it's ready to go. And all I would have to do after is build the structure for it. So until then, I'll see you guys next time.